If you have Hashimoto's, it means your immune system is attacking your thyroid. So what you need to do is you need to optimize your immune system so it stops attacking your thyroid. The problem is that people who take hormonal replacement medication, they still feel awful in spite of taking that medication. People with Hashimoto's also develop other autoimmune diseases such as arthritis from untreated thyroid autoimmune disease. Teach you exactly what you need to do to achieve full disease reversal so that way your symptoms and your antibodies go away, which allows your thyroid to heal itself. You still have positive antibodies. You need those antibodies disappear in order to document disease reversal.
Fortunately, the same thing of what doctors do today, because it's a business, they want to keep people coming back over and over again. So they don't give them fully what they need. They just give them to make them feel or sense that they're doing them some good. Just enough, you know? And so even me working in a nutraceutical company for so many years, supplements I find no different than the pharmaceutical end.